Let's meet Sam, one of our top 20 finalists of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020.
To one and all. I am Sam Ebenezer, studying grade 12 in Sekatad Convent Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, Viluppuram. My hobbies are playing chess, thinking about electric cars, and trying to invent a new technology in road transport. The theme of my project is Safe Community Living. The name of my project is Poisonous and Flammable Gas Detector. The principle of my project is to protect lives who are working in factories and gas plants. Now let's see the working of my project. This module is meant for detecting methane and butane gases. When the sensor senses the flame, it sends a fire alert message. And also a call with speaker. Wait a second. It has set the latitude and longitude of the location to the nearest fire station. Now let's see the switching off of the gas valve.
So let's move on to the Q&A, open to the judges. Thank you.
Sam, I have a weird question. How are you making phone calls from GSM module?
Sir, I have connected a IST 1820 module which records a voice. This voice is connected to the GSM module and it speaks like a person who speaks with latitude and longitude. We can also save the address and it sends a phone call.
So you recorded somebody's voice, and then whenever there's an alert, it'll whatever your specified phone number is, it'll give it a call, and then if you pick up, you can hear the recorded voice. Yeah.
Yes, sir. This call is made specially for the fire station because in our town, fire station do not attend any message. Only they attend the calls. So this is.
Okay, got it. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Great thought in terms of getting the phone call and the fact that they do only phone calls. Very nice project, very well thought out. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm impressed by the way you thought through those different scenarios and that as well. Have you had the opportunity to discuss it with potential customers or people that might use or make the devices?
No, sir, but I have spoke to the fire station, nearby fire stations in Viluppuram. All the fire station told the same thing that we only attend calls, not messages.
Great. So you did speak to the fire station. That's good. That's very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very well. Very nice project and a lot of integration with the GSM and other stuff. I was amazed with the number of electronics board that you have connected. That's very nice. Do you think that you can do some more extension to this project, or do you think that is quite loaded and is good to stop?
So I think alert message can be given to the nearest hospital to alert, because in the case of fire accident, many people will be injured, and in chemical factories, fire accidents are very serious. So I am planning to give a call to the nearest hospital.
Okay, excellent. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Many congratulations to Sam for his invention. On behalf of the entire team of WitBlox and TechFest, we wish him the very best of luck for the future.